Rudy, look at this image.
Is she Radha?
Yes. Now tell me what she is doing.
Radha is looking at her in the mirror.
No, Rudy, you should say Radha is looking at herself in the mirror.
But why?
So let's understand where to use pronoun herself.
Sure.
Hey kids, how are you? All set for a new lesson? Very good. So today we are going to learn about pronoun herself. So herself is a reflexive pronoun which is used in place of third person singular female. Reflexive pronoun, what is it? So let's learn together that what is a reflexive pronoun. A reflexive pronoun is a pronoun in which the subject of the sentence and the object of the sentence both are same. Let's take one example. She cooked all the food by herself. So in this sentence, she is the subject and pronoun herself is an object, and pronoun herself refers back to the subject of the sentence, which is pronoun she. So let's see some more examples and make the concept of pronoun herself clear. So Rudy, let's take a first example of pronoun herself. Nandini wrote the book all by herself. So in this sentence, who is Nandini? Nandini is third person singular feminine. So for Nandini, we use the pronoun she, and the reflexive form of pronoun she is herself, which refers back to the subject who is Nandini.
I understood.
Very nice. So Rudy, our second example is Rachel talked about herself. So in this sentence, who is Rachel? Rachel is third person singular
Feminine.
correct. So for Rachel, we use the pronoun she, and the reflexive form of pronoun she is herself, which refers back to the subject who is Rachel. So Rudy, read the third example.
Jenny looked at herself.
Correct. So can you identify the reflexive pronoun in this sentence?
Herself.
Why?
Because it refers back to the subject.
Correct. Now who is the subject?
Jenny.
Jenny is first person, second person or third person?
Third person.
Singular or plural?
Singular.
Feminine or masculine?
Feminine.
Very good, Rudy. You got it. So, I hope you are very clear that what is pronoun herself. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.